Once again, I welcome you to all in my class. Myself, your friend Navin Cordras, and today we are going to learn sentence and its types. So, first, let me ask, what is sentence? Sentence is a group of words that make a complete meaning or complete sense. I repeat, sentence is a group of words that make complete sense or complete meaning. Example, Seema reads a book. Plants gives oxygen. To make sentence, there must be a one subject and one predicate. Now let us see how many types of sentences we have. So generally there are 10 types of sentences are there. So we are going to learn one by one. Okay? First one, assertive sentences. What is assertive sentence? Assertive sentences are those sentences that states fact or any statement which always ends with a full stop. Example, Arun is eating a mango. Karan lives in Mangalore. This is about assertive sentences which always ends with a full stop and which states any fact or any statement. Second one are interrogative sentences. The interrogative sentences are those sentences which always ends with a question mark. Interrogative sentences we use to ask questions. There are two types of interrogative sentences are there. They are WH questions and yes no questions. What is WH questions? In WH questions, we always place WH word like which, what, when, who before a sentence. Example, where did you go for Diwali? What are you doing? How much money left in your pocket? This is about WH questions. Second one, yes no questions. The yes no questions are always begins with the be verb or helping verb. If we ask a yes no question, the answer always must be either yes or no. Example, do you eat mango? I will learn cooking. Did the child drink the milk? We always place this word be verb before in a sentence to make a yes no questions. This is about an interrogative sentence. Now third one is an imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? In the imperative sentence, one expresses a command, make request or gives advice to anybody. Once again I repeat, in imperative sentence, one expresses command, makes request and gives advice to somebody. Example, for a command, open the door, close the window, request, please pass the salt or please give me your pencil. Advice, work hard, follow the traffic rules, etc. These are about an imperative sentence. Fourth one is exclamative sentence. What is exclamative sentences? The exclamative sentences are those sentences in which one expresses a sudden or strong feeling or emotion. Okay, in these sentences, a person expresses a sudden feeling or is strong emotions. Example, wow, such a wonderful weather. Hooray, we won the match. Alas, we lost the match. Alas, he is dead. It is one kind of sad feelings. Ouch, I got hurt. This is about exclamatory sentences in which one expresses his feeling, his emotion through some words like wow, hooray, alas, ouch, effie, etc. And fifth one is optative sentences. Optative sentences are type of sentences in which one expresses a feelings of blessing, prayer, wish to anybody. The optative sentences are those sentences in which one expresses a feeling of blessing, prayer, wish to anybody. Example, for blessing, may God bless you. A prayer, all the best for your future. A good luck. Wish, happy birthday. Wish you many happy returns of the day. Wish you a wonderful day, etc. This is about optative sentences. Is it clear? Now sixth one is negative sentences. Negative sentences are those sentences in which a person who negates something, who says that something is not correct, something is untrue, etc. Example, open the door or don't open the door. He did not go to school. I am not eating non-veg. He doesn't like to sing song. This is about negative sentence, saying no or not. Is it clear? Now seventh one is question tag. A question tag, what does it mean? A question tag which has two parts. One is statement, second one is a short question that always ends with a question mark. Or it we put comma to separate a statement from a short question. Also, if the statement is a positive, a question tag is always negative. Example, Harish is a doctor. Is it he? There is comma, a short question, and we also use contraction. And if the statement is a negative, a question tag is always must be a positive. Example, they aren't here. Are they? Is it clear? A question tag contains two parts, a statement and a short question. If the statement is positive, the question tag is negative. If the statement is negative, a question tag is positive. Is it clear? Now let us see what is simple sentences. These simple sentences, compound sentences and complex sentences we learn when we learn a transformation of sentences. We will get a detail of this, how to change simple, compound and complex sentences from one sentences to another. Now we will see what is simple sentences mean. Are simple sentences which contain one subject and one predicate. The meaning is complete. There is no addition is needed. It is one independent clause. Is it clear? A single independent clause. Example, Ram plays piano well. He opened the cupboard. This is about a simple sentences. A second one is compound sentences. A compound sentences are formed with two or more independent clauses are joined with a coordinating conjunction. Two or more independent clauses are joined with a coordinating conjunction. What are the coordinating conjunctions? Coordinating conjunctions are for, and, not, but, or, yet, so. We also call a short form a fan clause. Is it clear? Now let us see the example. It is nice day today, but it is too humid. Two independent clauses. Is it clear? The cat is chasing a mouse and the mouse is running behind the cheese. This is about compound sentences. There are two independent clauses which are joined with a coordinating conjunction. A final, a tenth one, complex sentences. What is complex sentences? In complex sentences which has a one main clause or one independent clause and one or more subordinate clause. There must be one main or independent clause or one or more a subordinate clause which are joined with the conjunction, which are joined with the subordinating conjunction such as because, before, if, when, that, why, etc. Is it clear? There must be a one independent clause or one or more dependent clause. Example, they will pay me only after I have finished my work. After. Is it clear? One is independent clause, another one is a dependent clause or subordinating clause. Second one, Tara said that she would call me. Tara said that she would call. A third one, I could not forgive him because he lies to me. I could not forgive him because he lies to me. The because is a subordinating conjunction. Meera was absent because she was sick. Why Meera was absent? Because she was sick. This is about a complex sentences. Here there are two independent clause. Here one independent and one subordinating clause. Is it clear? So once again I repeat, we learned in this class the meaning of sentences, also types of sentences. In the types of sentences we learn assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, I said, interrogative sentences are divided into two parts: imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, optative sentence, negative sentence, question tag, and finally we learn simple, compound, and complex sentences. Is it clear? If you have any doubt, please comment. Wish you a happy day. Also, bye. I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.